The truth might get me into trouble, but hold on, I will say it anyways. If you're a fertile person with a functioning uterus and you have intercourse near your ovulation period, if you take salt and water, ampiclox, Beecham, or even Andrew liver salt, come close, you will still get pregnant. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pep. I'm a registered nurse BNSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health, and everything in between. And if this is your first time of setting your eyes on this beautiful face, on this melanin popping baby girl, guys, don't make it the last by clicking on the subscribe button below. Do well to watch this video till the end. Like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. A couple of weeks back, a lady reached out to me on Instagram asking me, Nurse Pep, if I take salt and water immediately after intercourse, will it flush pregnancy? And my answer was, no, it will not flush pregnancy. She was surprised. And if you are just like her, I will explain in this video. Taking salt and water immediately after intercourse, or Beecham ampiclox, or 7-Up and salt, whatever concoction it is immediately after intercourse, will not flush pregnancy because it has no effect with a pregnancy. This is because biology knowledge has taught us that the reproductive organ or the reproductive system is different from digestive system. The stomach is up here while the reproductive system is down there. When you have sexual intercourse, the sperm goes straight into your reproductive organ. It does not go to your stomach. So you taking salt and water will only help you replace lost electrolytes. And if you take it in excess, it can even cause you high blood pressure because of the increased intake of sodium into your body. Again, someone would say, so if you say, I take salt and water immediately after intercourse, it will not get me pregnant, why then would you advise someone to take posting-on-2, which is a morning after pill, just immediately after intercourse to prevent pregnancy? Posting-on-2 alters your hormones and your menstrual cycle when taken correctly, and so there will be no way you will get pregnant after taking posting-on-2. If anyone is boastful about the fact that they took salt and water immediately after intercourse, 7-Up and salt, Beecham ampiclox, and then they did not get pregnant, it is because they had intercourse when they were not ovulating. They had intercourse in their safe period, or even their uterus might not be functioning. And there is another thing we fail to know. Yes, the guy can be suffering from low sperm count. Even the guy can be impotent. So yeah, that's just the basic truth about salt and water. So yeah, with this video, I hope I'm able to convince you and not confuse you that immediately after sexual intercourse, if you take salt and water to flush out your pregnancy, my darling, you are just doing yourself, because at the end of the day, you might come up with 9 months assignments. And congratulations in advance if you still put that at the back of your head, okay? So yeah guys, this is the end of this video. If you have found this video really interesting like I did, please do well to click on the like button, comment down below. Let me know if you have taken salt and water and it works for you or not. And drop suggestions of videos you'd like me to make, and I'll make sure to consider those topic suggestions in the comment section below. If you are not yet subscribed, this is the time to click on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And until I come your way next time on this channel, I remain your nurse Pep. Okay? Bye guys.